Hello students, today we will start our new chapter which is named Love for Family chapter number 4. What it is, these are the moral thoughts. First of all, we should know about our family. It is a boon to have a happy, caring family. We have a boon that we have a happy and caring family. Happy families make happy communities. If you have a happy family, that means you have a happy communities, and all over the surroundings you have almost happier. Members of a family share their joys and sorrows. In family, all the family members share their joys and sorrows together so that difficulties level get come lesser. We must strive to be good and thoughtful towards everyone in the family. We must be good and we must be a thoughtful nature towards everyone in the family. Some value gems are there. We should learn about it also. A family is the one we can depend. If we were in trouble, they would defend. You know that we all are depending on our family. If we are in trouble, the family always help us. Problems we face, they understand, forever willing to lend us a hand. Whenever we need, they all help us in every situation. That means lend us a hand. So let us talk about the story. Story name is I Love You Grandma. Grandma. Whose grandma? There is a character, Raju, who is talking about his life here. Raju and his family in this chapter. All discussions about Raju and his family and the grandma. Important role of grandma. Let us discuss. Mama, can we take my friends to Pizza Corner for my birthday party? Raju asked his mother. Here is Raju asking with his mother, I want to take my friends to a pizza corner on my birthday party. No, no way, it's all junk food. His mother told no, because all the pizzas about all that is a junk food, you know that. So, no, you will not go. Your daddy will never agree about this. Also, grandma had done so many preparations for your birthday party. She has already prepared some sweets, and then he checked the answer sheets. His mother told Raju that his grandma prepared some sweets for his birthday party and had did many preparations for his birthday party. Then she started checking his answer sheet because her mother was a professor. Raju's mother was a professor and his father worked in bank. Since both his parents were working, Raju and his little sister were looked after by their grandmother. Because his both the parents are working, that's why their grandmother looked both of them after school. Raju's grandfather died 4 years ago. Since then, his grandmother was staying with them. After died his grandmother came here staying with them. Raju's grandmother was loving and she took care of both the kids. Raju also loved his grandmother very much. She was not as strict as his parents were. Her grandmother was very calm and kind in nature, but his parents are a little bit strict. But when it came to our principles, she too was quite unyielding. She too strict little bit when it comes by his principles. Raju parents earned well, but they were very firm on their principles. They never indulged Raju or his sister in extravagance. Extravagance means spending more money. So their parents take care of them. Raju and his sister never be extravagance. They had two cars, yet they used a carpool. Because they had two cars and they used a carpool to go to work. Raju and his sister Sarika went to school by school bus. They had a comfortable house but not too many luxuries. Because Raju's parents were firm on their principles, that's why they were not living with too many luxuries. They went out to eat once a month. Rest of the time they ate home cooked food. The family had housemaid to help in the housework. It is about principles. Raju father would tell him, often your mother and I believe certain values and we like to live our life by those values. That Raju's father told them that they both were believe in certain rules and regulations about the life, how to live it. So they both have to be followed. Raju's birthday was 2 days away. 2 days left. Raju's birthday came. Last month, his friend Tarun celebrated his birthday. He took whole class to Swanky Fast Food Joint Pizza Corner. Swanky means too expensive. Tarun took whole class to an expensive fast food pizza corner for his birthday. Everyone ate many slices of pizzas and glasses of cold drinks. And after that, Raju and his friends bear a stomach ache for many days after the party because of these junk foods. But that was all in the past and all forgotten it. Raju too wanted to his celebrate birthday at a pizza corner and he tried to persuade his mother so that she could convince his father, but she outrightly denied it. Persuade means convincing so much, convincing do something. Raju was trying his mother to convince his father for a pizza corner party, but Raju's mother denied it. After that, his grandmother came to Raju and he thought that Raju was thinking something. And tell Raju that your milk is getting cold. What are you thinking about it? Grandma, are we pure? Raju asked to grandmother, are we pure? Or why can't mother and daddy be like Tarun's parents? It is not as if we cannot afford a party at Pizza Corner, but they won't just allow me. Raju said to grandmother, Raju asked to grandmother that if we are not a poor and we can afford a birthday party outside, then why my grandma, mama and daddy were not like Tarun's parents? Why they are not allowing me to celebrate outside a party? I'm not a small child anymore. Raju grumbled. Grumbled means to complaining in a bad tempered way. He drank the glass milk reluctantly and he said that I am not a small child, that I can't understand about it. Raju, have you forgotten how unwell you felt after Tarun's party? Grandmother suddenly said that, have you forgotten this? After Tarun's party, you get unwell. All the friends and you stomach ache, have gotten a stomach ache. So have you forgotten this? Why do you want the same with your friends after your party also? I will make some special dishes for you if you were not here. Mama would never have time to cook and she would have allowed me to celebrate my birthday party at Pizza Corner. Raju said to the grandmother, if you were not here, Mama would allow me to celebrate my party outside at a Pizza Corner because she don't have time to cook. Who likes to eat home cooked food? Now Raju was saying this rudely in a bad way. And after saying this, he went in his room. Grandmother looked at Raju sadly. Now, to hear about this, grandmother was also sad. She could sense the rebellions rising within the boy. Rebellion means violent action. Means he was complaining in a bad tempered way, in a violent way, that the grandmother sensed to see that. She remembered just 2 days ago when the family sat down for dinner, Raju wanted Coke instead of buttermilk with dinner. Drink the special buttermilk grandma has prepared. It is good for stomach. Coke should not be had with dinner. We can drink some other drink. Raju mother said that grandmother has prepared a special buttermilk for you and that was good for your stomach. Coke is not good for your stomach and we should not had with it in dinner. You never allow me drink Coke, Raju again said in a reluctantly way. You never allow me to drink a Coke. My all friends drink Coke all the time. Now here Raju is comparing to himself with his friends. At the Raju's father intervened and told Raju to behave. Raju made a face, but as he was told. Here Raju's father intervened him. His father told him, behave like a gentle kid. Behave yourself. We said that now sometimes when a child is reluctant, retaliated or reluctantly said grumbled way, that's why his father also intervened to Raju. But he made a smaller face and nothing he said then. Grandmother knew Raju was an obedient child. He just needed to be molded in the right way. Grandmother knows about that. Raju is an obedient child. But he needs a little bit time or he needs a right way to be molded. 2 days passed and it was Raju's birthday today. He invited all the friends. He knew that his father not allowed him to celebrate a party at a Pizza Corner, so he didn't persist anyone. In the morning when everyone wished him birthday, he only smiled in a polite way. But his special zinc in the smile was missing. Raju distributed his special sweets made by his grandmother in the class as a birthday treat. Everyone appreciated them because the sweets were very good, very sweety in nature. Very sweets were very good. Earlier, Raju used to bask in the glory of the praises given for his grandmother's cooking, but today he felt as if everyone was mocking him. Raju thought that everyone will mocking him. Mocking means everyone will laugh on him to celebrate a party at a home. But that was not good. That was not happened in the evening. In the evening, all the Raju's friend came in the house at a birthday party. They played many games, enjoyed snacks. Grandmother told Raju and his friend today's dinner was a surprise because she made a very good cookies and many sweets. It must be a chole bhature. All his friends were guessing. It must be a chole bhature. It must be a sambar dosa. It must be a aloo puri chana because grandmothers made that best. and she made them during the Shara celebrations also. Raju's sister said that my grandmother made my grandmother made special dishes in the Shara celebrations also. Raju, Sarika, even you don't know what's cooking. His friends asked Raju and his sister Sarika, even you don't know what is cooking. Grandmother didn't tell us. They all said that. Now it is almost the dinner time. They were making a guess about special dishes. When doorbell rang, all his friends came here and thought that Raju started towards the door. There was a man from Pizza Corner with four big pizzas. Before Raju could say anything, his father came out and paid that man took the boxes of pizza for him. He kept them on the table. All the children gathered around the table. Raju pizza, but we thought there would be special food for you for your birthday. All the children said that we were waiting the special dishes on your birthday. Raju, the whole year we wait for your party with the delicious goodies made by your grandmother. That was fabulous cook. She is a fabulous cook. This pizza is nothing before the tasty dishes she cooks. All the friends said that. Raju was surprised to hear all this. All the excitement on the seeing pizza from the pizza corner evaporated. Now the Raju's excitement of pizza went away, evaporated, when his friends praising the grandmother's cooking. He felt ashamed because he were pulled her down earlier. That's why he was very much feeling guilty because everyone is praising her so much. Grandmother came and mother came out from the kitchen. They were carrying plates to eat the pizza. All children picked up pieces of pizzas. And what is your surprise dish? Now again the friends asked with grandmother, what is your surprise dish? Because it's not this hope it is not this boring pizza because children don't want to eat that pizza. At this, grandmother smiled and told them finish this pizza on their plates, then she would bring out another surprise. Soon maid brought two trays of bread rolls, halwa, nangori, aloo. All children enjoyed immensely. Two pizza boxes lay unopened. There were glasses of coke and buttermilk on the table. Almost all the children's Raju was surprised at his friends. They were all gorging on grandma's special treats. Gorging means to eat a lot. They had eat a lot on grandma's special treats. Tarun came him and said, I wish my mother cooked so well and I could have tasty home cooked food on my birthday. My parents always celebrate my birthday outside and to save the trouble of cooking and cleaning after the party. Now the Tarun also praises grandma's cooking. But Raju tell you frankly it does not feel like a party at all. Your family is so good. They make so much effort just for you. The next morning Raju got up before everyone else and tiptoed to grandma's room. He went to grandma's room. She was already awake. Raju flung his arms around her. Then he said, I'm so sorry hurting you. You convinced daddy to arrange a pizza from Pizza Corner, right? Grandma smiled and pulled Raju into her arms. We all love you, Raju. We did not want to see you sad on birthday. Despite my request, your daddy did not want to have the party at Pizza Corner. He merely agreed to get pizza home delivered. because Raju's father agreed to get pizza home delivery. He tried my best, said grandmother to Raju. Oh grandmother, it was best party ever. I have learned the value of family in life from next time. No pizza corner, only grandma's home cooked food. I love you, grandma. Raju hugged his mother. What is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is we should always obey our parents and our family because they all said whatever is right for us. They always told us. They always help us. They never be denied anything which is right. They always denied which is wrong for us. So love your family and understand the value of your family. Thank you class. This is all about on this.